Everybody that wants to make money online needs tools, okay? Like just like a plumber needs a wrench, just like a carpenter needs a hammer, okay? As an online marketer, as a digital marketer, there are certain tools you need, okay? Are you an Amazon associate or an Amazon influencer, and you're driving traffic to Amazon using affiliate links, or you have a storefront? You're creating content across multiple platforms, okay, for multiple products. Don't you find it a little overwhelming? And Amazon's not much help with the analytics they give us. Well, that's where Logi comes in. Logi is an organizational tool for the Amazon associate, the Amazon influencer. Logi tracks your product sales, your clicks, your returns, your add to carts, tracks everything. The AI can write scripts for you. It can make thumbnails for you. Logi has an AI interface with ChatGPT, and this helps you create content really quickly. Logi has also got the highest paid commission products you can promote on Amazon, up to 50% commissions on top of your Amazon commissions. They're also going to give you your own website. It's go.shopping/your name. Imagine telling people, go to go.shopping/ whatever your name is. And that has deep links to Amazon. So you don't have to worry about the whole thing, what's going on right now with deep links, where people having to sign into their accounts before they make a purchase. This is a deep link, goes right to Amazon. You can create collections and drive traffic to your go.shopping page. Did I mention you can do all of this for free? Right now, Logi's free. Okay, sign up. Use my link down the bottom. I have a code so you can get in. They're not letting everybody in. Sign in with my code. Get in. Get in now while it's young. Oh, did I mention every Friday we have masterminds? Okay, mastermind meetings on. We have Zoom meetings on Zoom on Fridays. There's one meeting at 12 o'clock where it's a general meeting where we go over the Amazon influencer program, making money on Amazon, and then there's the 2 o'clock meeting that also it's geared all towards Logi. Okay, so click the link, join the meetings. Logi's a software. Logi's an app. Logi's a tool. Logi's a Facebook group. Logi's a mastermind. You're not going to want to miss out on Logi. Come on, if you're an Amazon influencer or an Amazon associate, make any kind of money on Amazon, right? Join Logi.